viewers, the oceans contain 99% of the living space on Earth, covering over 71% of its surface. Yes, today our topic is about the 5 oceans. Keep watching, like, comment and subscribe. The majority of the Earth's water is stored in its oceans and seas. A sea is a smaller part of an ocean and is enclosed by land. The ocean is a massive body of saline water that covers approximately 72% of the Earth's surface. The one global ocean is divided into distinct geographical regions by countries and oceanographers. There are 5 ocean basins. They are Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, Pacific and Southern. Together they hold around 97% of the water found on Earth. But we have explored or mapped only about 20% of the ocean. The rest remains a mystery. The Arctic Ocean, located in the northern hemisphere, is the smallest, coldest and shallowest oceans of the world. It is surrounded by North America, Eurasia, Greenland and several smaller islands. Compared to other 4 oceans, this one has the lowest saline water because of heavy freshwater inflow and lower evaporation. Threatened species of whales and walruses inhabit the ocean. Plant life in the Arctic Ocean is scarce, except phytoplanks. The lion's mane jellyfish and the banded gunnel are among the few species of marine creatures inhabiting the Arctic Ocean. The ocean bed also hosts petroleum and natural gas fields. The Bering Strait connects the Arctic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Studies say that climatic change adversely affects the marine ecosystem. As per research, the Arctic might become ice-free by 2040 and this would load the Arctic with large volumes of meltwater which affect the ocean currents badly. This causes a drastic change in the global climate. The Atlantic Ocean is bounded by the land masses of North and South America to the west and Asia and Africa to the east. Its average depth is 3,646 meters. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircrafts and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Atlantic Ocean is vast and its climate varies widely from the north to the south. Warm and cold ocean currents influence the climate of the coastal areas. The Atlantic Ocean has contributed significantly to the economy of many nations. Petroleum deposits, precious stones, etc. are abundant here. It also hosts rich fishing resources. Several rare and threatened species of marine life like turtles, whales, dolphins, seals, sea lions, etc. are found in the Atlantic. Frequent oil spills, municipal sewage pollution, industrial pollution, fishing activities all threaten the marine life in the Atlantic Ocean. The warmest ocean in the world, the Indian Ocean, have the average depth of 3,741 meters and its deepest point is Diamantia Deep. The Eurasian landmasses lies to the north of the Indian Ocean, Australia to the east, Africa to the west, the Southern Ocean and Antarctica to the south. Here we experience a monsoon type of climate. Cyclones are common during the summer season. The warm tropical waters of the ocean supports a great diversity of life and offers abundant fishing grounds, especially tuna and shrimp. Overfishing in the water is also disturbing the marine life of the ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, which accounts for 1/3 of the total surface area of Earth. Pacific means peaceful in Latin. It touches the west coast border of the Americas along with East Asia and Australia. The equator divides the Pacific Ocean into 2 separate parts, the North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. The deepest oceanic trench on the Earth is the Mariana Trench, which is located in the western North Pacific Ocean. Large parts of the Pacific remains unexplored due to its great depth. Petroleum and natural gas deposits have been discovered here. The Pacific Ocean is touched by 5 continents. That is Antarctica, North America, South America, Asia and Australia. This makes it the biggest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean basin contains about 75% of all the active volcanoes in the world and often erupts causing earthquakes and tsunamis. The majority of those earthquakes arise from the Ring of Fire, which contains lots of active volcanoes. The Pacific Ocean has between 25,000 and 30,000 islands. The exact number is unknown because more islands are still being discovered. More than 60% of the islands in the Pacific Ocean make up one country. The second largest island in the world, New Guinea, is located in the Pacific Ocean. A large variety of fish like tuna, salmon, swordfish, snapper are greatly seen in parts of the Pacific. The largest living organ in the Pacific is the Great Barrier Reef and is the only natural structure which is visible from space. The largest creature is the blue whale. The textile cone snail is one of the most dangerous creatures in the Pacific. This snail is very attractive but has a poison which can be deadly to humans. The snail is quite harmless unless it is picked up or accidentally stepped on it. The Pacific Ocean is currently suffering from pollution. The Southern Ocean is also one of the most dangerous oceans for ships because of icebergs. Choppy seas, storms, and iceberg interventions are common here. Though the Southern Ocean does not have a landmass bordering, it is treated as a separate oceanic division due to the difference in water properties. Researchers estimated that the Southern Ocean seabed is a storehouse of massive oil, valuable minerals, and more. Southern Ocean is a deep ocean with depth ranging between 4,000 and 5,000 meters. The Southern Ocean is home to whales, seals, penguins, etc. Several threats are experienced by the marine inhabitants of the Southern Ocean. Unregulated fishing also reduces the fish stock in the ocean, which disturbs the food chain and affects the survival of the other species in the chain. Your comments are my motive. Hope you like this video. Like and share. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.